Here I'm mixing salt, sugar, measuring out my salt here. I'm looking for 506 grams, sugar 375 grams. Mixing that in a bowl. This is my curing mix for my egg yolks. Pour that into a pan. This pan was 8 inches by 13 inches. I modified a recipe that called for 4 egg yolks. Here I'm making some little divots, little landing spots for my egg yolks. I'm using a method of just cracking the egg into my hand to separate the yolk from the white. So I'm doing that, and then I'm just going to drop the egg yolk into a little landing spot here with the curing mix. And I repeat that for all 6 of my eggs. And I did break one of the egg yolks. You can see I'm about to scoop that out and replace it because, yep, it's a broken one. So I'm just scooping that out, getting rid of that, and just cracking one more egg to go ahead and put in that spot like so. Then I started covering the egg yolks with the cure mix, just carefully covering that with some of what I had left. I didn't pour the entire contents because I knew I had to save some to pour on top, you see. And get that covered. It's all covered up in the cure mix. Then I have to put the plastic on it and leave this in the fridge. I left this in the fridge for five or 6 days. I think the recipe called for 4 days. So leave that in the fridge. Here I have a pan with a rack. I'm spraying that. This is after they've sat and they've cured, so I'm just going to rinse my egg yolks off. A bowl of water here, just going to rinse the salt and sugar off of that. And a little bit of kitchen towel, just going to dry that and place that on my greased rack there, because these are going to go in the oven. My oven was preheating at 150 or 200 degrees Fahrenheit, one of those, and there you go, shot from them in the oven. And here I made a burger, and I'm grating egg over the burger and tasting it and just kind of trying to decide what it tasted like. It's kind of hard to describe the flavor, especially when you have a lot of other stuff going on, but it adds just kind of a creaminess to it.